Gonna be a mixed day here. Hopefully the rain holds off until this afternoon like it did yesterday. Looks like they're getting some showers over that way. This is the sugar area where they ship a lot of the sugar, they were telling us. Going on a heritage tour today. Let's see what that's like. It's got to be one of the prettiest rainbows I've seen. You get the deep purples. And it just about makes the full arc. Day 7 of our Transpacific Cruise aboard Explore the Seas finds us in Lautoka, Fiji. We were originally scheduled for the Jungle Safari Giant Zipline Tour, which would have been a blast, but the mudslides took care of that for us. So we elected to go on the Fijian Traditions and Beauty Tour, which took us through a village and showed us some interesting sights. Bonnie and Willie went on the South Sea Island Day Cruise, so they were gracious enough to allow us to use their video of that excursion. So enjoy.
He wrote that he placed them on open fire. They kept on tossing them around until it was all black. And then when they removed the burnt skin like a burnt toast inside, he saw that it was soft and white like bread, and he named it the breadfruit. So that's the breadfruit, ladies and gentlemen. It grows much more bigger than the ones, and all those nice green color they'll begin to lose those nice green color, and then they'll begin to become brown, and the seps will begin to appear on the fruit. It's a fruit, but it contains carbohydrate. We have to boil it, then we can be able to eat it. This is the biggest bay that we have in Fiji. This is Nandi Bay. Nandi Bay was filled with flying boats and warships during the Second World War, because Fiji was chosen by the Allied force to be the refueling base.
Bula.
the dendrobium orchids, these are the large cut orchids in the tropic and last up to 4 to 5 weeks. Most of them are imported from Singapore by the late Dr. Raymond Bay. He founded this garden in 1977. It's almost 42 years now.
Yes, you have that everywhere. Yeah.
Spanish moss, the oilman's beard. It's an air plant. They get their nutrients from the air.
Yes. Yeah.
Comes in different colors. Look at the dark ones over there. A dendrobium antelope orchid without horns.
Yeah.
Yes. Orchid, we don't bend our orchids. They don't need direct sunlight. We plant them on a gravel. Liquid fertilizers for their feed and sprinklers for watering.
Yeah.
We run our sprinklers. Those are the same family of pineapples. Look at the angel wing plant. Look at the green anthurium. Pacific orchid. Look like cross Chrysothemis. Look at the pink banana over there, the ornamental banana. You have seen that one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Self-filling bananas.
Yep.
Look at the Dermatophyllum orchid. That's one of our native. Look at the Cattleya, the Anapitation is the queen of the orchids. Queen orchids. Look at that hybrid dendrobium over there. In the garden, we have more than 2,000 varieties of orchids.
Oh, yes. Definitely well named.
I guess this was Raymond Burr's garden at one time. He planned to start planting the orchids out here and then donated the property. Gorgeous setting right here at the base of the sleeping giant mountain.
Let's do it one more time. Bula everyone, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's do that. Thank you.
Okay, here we are. We're on the catamaran. We're heading out to the private island. There's the ship. We're heading out somewhere. Out there in the South Pacific. There's a rainbow. Pretty rainbow. You don't see it? You don't see that rainbow? Okay, here we are on the catamaran. All these young people, everybody's under 30. Everybody's young.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be transferred across to South Sea Island on boats that will be coming alongside. In another few minutes, we'll be having long boats that transfer you across.
Long boat?
Once they
Oh boy.
are ready,
Here we go again.
Proceed to the back of the lower deck. For
Long boats, huh?
Because it's important to ensure that you have all the belongings.
Jim jumped on with us. He must be going today with us.
We're now heading to the private island. Here we go, boys and girls. Oh no, it'll go good. Jacob, so you're better off in the center. Piece of cake. Yeah, you wouldn't do well on a dive boat, baby. Oh, look at this water. Oh. Okay, here we are. We're getting ready to do our snorkeling trip. And everybody's getting on board. Going about, I guess, 200 yards out, and we'll be snorkeling. island we're heading back to. I'm still looking for Wilson. See you on shore, boys and girls. Wilson! Wilson! I'm on a deserted island. Where's Wilson? Wilson! There's Wilson! Can you see Wilson? Come back, Wilson! Come back! Here we are in our here's our little love nest. Here it is. Looking out. As you can see, this is what we're looking out at on a deserted island. Here we are. There we go. It's just too nice. That is the other side of the island.
We are sitting here having lunch.
Ula.
Bula bula.
Manaka.
They're back there doing a ceremony behind us. Let me show you a little bit of the island. Looks beautiful out there, doesn't it? And look, all the goodies over here. Hello, here I am. And here's this side. That's our boat out there waiting for us. And here's Dad. Ta-da!
Ladies and gentlemen, the ladies will come and perform to you two of our traditional dances that will be called the Sirasa and the Lolo. Let's give the ladies a big round of applause.